The responsibility for being a steward of this wonderful museum is awesome. It's extraordinary, and it's a little overwhelming at times, but it's such an honor that one gets over the awesomeness of it. And it makes coming to work, it makes working with my colleagues a real joy. But one also feels that one is representing past, present, and future generations. Visitor reactions have been across the board, across the gamut. They've been united, though, by a sense of appreciation. We have video from the Visitor Voices program that shows people who are in tears thanking us for this museum. You walk through the galleries and someone strikes up a conversation with you, and they begin to tell you, not knowing who you are, why they've had such a great time, why they've been here 6 hours. So it's quite a communal experience, and to hear different accents, to see people every size, shape, and color is really heartwarming. One of the things we hope people will remember, first of all, is that it's free. All Smithsonian museums are free, and that's not true of much in the world. It's a great place to eat, it's a great place to get a gift or a keepsake to take with you, and there's some extraordinary memories that you will build for yourself and for anybody you're with. So when you see the Edisto Island slave cabin, when you see works of art, when you see Chuck Berry's Cadillac, you'll have an extraordinary inventory of memory that you will never forget.